Hey guys, myself Tanuj studying B Pharmacy first year in Maharajah's College of Pharmacy. I am here to give a brief explanation about a topic glycogenesis. So let's get started. Here is the introduction about the topic glycogenesis. It is defined as the synthesis of glycogen from the glucose. The glycogenesis takes place at the cytosol where the adenosine triphosphate and uridine triphosphate are used besides glucose. Here the synthesis requires a glycogen molecule which is already synthesized in our body to initiate the synthesis of glycogen. Here is the metabolism of glycogen. During the high blood glucose level, the pancreas secretes the insulin which acts both on liver and adipose tissues. The action on liver leads to the formation of glycogen from glucose. The action on adipose tissues leads to the storage of the glucose by the uptake of the cells. These are the steps involved in the formation of glycogen. The first step includes the enzyme hexokinase or glucokinase, which converts the glucose into glucose 6-phosphate. The phosphoglucomutase later on catalyzes the conversion of glucose 6-phosphate to glucose 1-phosphate. The third step includes the UDP glucose, which is synthesized from the glucose 1-phosphate and in the presence of UTP and UTP glucose phosphorylase enzyme. By the presence of glycogen molecule and glycogen initiator synthase enzyme, the UDP from the UDP glucose gets replaced by the glycogenin and forms glycogen primer with 3 glucose molecules. This UDP which is replaced brings back another 13 glucose molecules and repeats the addition of glucose to glycogen primer in the presence of glycogen synthase. Now, the 16 glucose molecules containing chain is linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage, and upon the action of the glycosyl alpha 4,6 transferase enzyme, the 1,4 linkage at the 10th carbon gets breakdown and the remaining 11 to 16 glucose molecules gets branched with the 7th glucose molecule with the alpha 1,6 glycosidic linkage. The elongation is continued further by the action of the glycogen synthase and branched by the glycosyl transferase, and hence the glycogen is synthesized. Significance of glycogenesis. Glycogenesis takes place when the blood glucose levels are sufficiently high and to allow the excess glucose to be stored in the liver and the muscle cells. The primary purpose of the glycogenesis is to make sure the body doesn't run out of the glucose. This material is gathered from biochemistry by U. Satyanarayana and U. Chakrapani. That's it guys, and I hope you understand. Thank you.